vision boards are so on trend at the moment, so let's make one as a wallpaper to put on our phone. You literally can do this all in Canva. So just get the app, you can get the free version, that's fine. Type in vision boards in the templates and it will bring up so many different templates for you. Pick one that stands out to you, okay? Then you're going to click on the picture and it will come up with upload. So if you've uploaded pictures before, you can use those, or you can see down the bottom there's photos. Type in whatever type of photo you want. So obviously here I've done travel. It's going to bring up heaps of different travel photos. If you don't want to use these, I'm just setting it to free version again. Click out of this, and down the bottom there was like a purple plus sign. You can click on that and it'll take you to pixels. So this is just like a lot more photos that you can use. Again, I've put in travel, so just searching through to pick what I want. Do that with each picture, okay? So you can add in travel, finances, whatever it is you want. Then we're going to play with the font. So click on the font, edit it, put in whatever words make you feel something. This is the whole point, okay? You want this to make you feel something, shift something within you, stir an emotion whenever you see it. So play with the font, the color, make it truly your own. Again, I'm just going through and adding extra things to it, okay? So you can click on these pictures and you can move them around if you don't like the formatting of them. You can click on it and there'll be like 3 dots up the top. You can see it down now. You can press on that and down the bottom it'll give you different options. So you can bring the picture forward or back, put filters on them, do whatever you want. Then when you are happy with it and you want to download it, up the top there's like top right, there's a arrow pointing up. Click on that, then it will give you different options of download. So do PNG because that's best for your phone, I found. Click on that, then go to the settings in your phone and go to wallpaper and add new wallpaper. Then you might need to drag it and stretch it or whatever, and then save, and you should have a vision board set as your wallpaper. As I said, you can do this on the free version or you can upgrade like I have. Completely up to you. I'll have a link in my bio, but make this your own and use your phone to create your dream.